What's going on, guys? Today I want to do a quick video showing off this LED task lamp offered by Phive, and it is a extremely sturdy LED gooseneck lamp. So you can see here I'm twisting this 180 degrees and it's staying completely put. So other task lamps, they will, they'll start to like slide off or they won't hold their position well. You can see just how well this stand is built. If I curve it just a little bit, it stays right there. And it's got 4 color options and 5 brightness levels. So right now it is on the, I believe, whitest setting or whitest color light. That is the most yellow. That's like a mix of yellow and the white, and then a whiter setting, and then the completely white. So again, 4 color modes, and then it's also got 5 brightness levels. So right now it's turned on its highest. We're gonna turn it down once. And then that's the lowest setting there. So again, very high quality, sturdy lamp. Let's show off some of the gooseneck here. So you could just see it's sitting behind the table and then it is clamped in. It supports clamping surfaces up to 2.5 inches in thickness. So if your desk is 2.5 inches or less, it will work with this lamp. Super high quality, extremely happy with it. The colors, the way those go is the yellower the light, the less strain it puts on your eyes. So during nighttime or something, it's better to use a yellow light. And this light is about 31 and a half inches. And you can see it's almost exactly the same length as this Dell 34-inch ultra wide. So that really worked out perfectly. I think it looks really sleek and modern as well. And it just gives the desk a complete look. The lamp is also offered in a black color. Right here, I have the silver/white color. So you can also get it in black if you would like. If you guys are interested, I do have a standing desk too. I will have a video coming out for that soon. So be on the lookout for that. I'll leave a link in the description, but I'll leave a link in the description for the light, the monitor, as well as the standing desk. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of this task lamp, or let me know if you want to have something else reviewed for technology or in an office environment setup. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.